Welcome to Daily English Lab. Today, we'll listen to a simple English conversation between two friends, Emma and Jake. They meet at a cafe after a long time and talk about their jobs, hobbies, and weekend plans. Listen carefully and repeat after them to improve your English listening and speaking skills.
Hey, Jake, long time no see.
Emma, wow, it's been ages. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work. What about you?
Same here. Work has been crazy lately, but I'm glad we could finally meet up.
Me too. I really missed our coffee chats.
Should we order something?
Sure, I'll get a cappuccino and maybe a slice of cheesecake.
That sounds great. I think I'll have an iced latte.
Are you still into black coffee like before?
Not anymore. I've become soft. I need milk and sugar now.
Haha, you've changed, Jake.
So, how's your job at the marketing company?
It's going well. I started a new position last month, social media manager.
Wow, that's awesome. Congratulations.
Thanks. It's fun, but sometimes stressful. We have lots of projects.
I can imagine. I've been working as a graphic designer for a tech startup.
Really? That sounds interesting. What kind of projects do you work on?
Mostly app designs and website layouts. It's creative, but deadlines can be tight.
Yeah, deadlines never go easy on us. By the way, do you still play guitar?
Oh, yes. I still play sometimes on weekends. How about you?
I've started painting recently. It helps me relax after work.
That's cool. Do you paint landscapes or portraits?
Mostly flowers and nature scenes. I even sold one online last month.
Really? That's amazing. Maybe you'll be famous one day.
I doubt that. It's just a hobby for now.
So, what are you doing this weekend?
I might visit my parents. They live near the beach.
That sounds nice. The weather's perfect for it.
Yeah, I can't wait to relax and get some sunshine.
I'm just staying in the city. Maybe watch a movie or hang out with friends.
Have you seen the new superhero movie?
Not yet. I heard it's great, though. Want to watch it together next week?
That sounds fun. Let's do it. Remember when we used to come here after classes?
Oh, yeah. We'd sit for hours talking about our dreams and doing nothing productive.
Those were the days.
I miss that simplicity. Life felt easier back then.
True, but look at us now. We're doing pretty well, I think.
Yeah, we've grown up, but still the same old friends.
Anyway, it's so good to see you again. Let's not wait another year next time.
Agreed. Let's meet again soon. Maybe for dinner next week.
Perfect. I'll text you. Enjoy your weekend, Jake.
You too, Emma. Take care.
Great job listening. You've just practiced real-life English conversation at a cafe. Try listening again and repeat the lines to improve your pronunciation and fluency. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Daily English Lab. And if you didn't enjoy it, feel free to dislike and tell us how we can do better next time. See you in the next video, only on Daily English Lab, your daily place to learn English naturally.